We miss you, Grandpa.
And loss is very old, and his heart gave out. A story that will touch the hearts of every kid and every parent in America.
We're family, right? So we're going to help pull each other through this, okay?
Okay.
I love you.
It's a full house you'll never forget. Followed by an all-new phenom.
Watch it all tonight, beginning at 8, here on KOMO, TV4.
No one brings you Northwest weather like Steve Bull. Clear, accurate. It's a forecast you can plan on, and it's next.
Well, first I want to emphasize that this does not appear to be an Arctic Express or something that's packing a lot of cold air behind it, but it's just one of those situations that does occur sometimes in winter where you get that moisture coming in over cold air. And at this time, outside we're cloudy, although we do have some reports of a little bit of snowfall over on the peninsula right now. 35 degrees, southeast wind at 5. We have the steady barometer and our humidity at 36%. Once again, a look at the system as it moves in on the coast. Our thought is that a lot of the moisture in this is really kind of in the back edge, and that should be over our area. Over the next 6 hours, we'll start to get into it, and then the 6 hours after that is where we get most of our moisture out of this. We think that for the most part, it's going to be rain and snow mixed. However, there is a possibility for accumulation as what amounts to a warm front continues to move over our area. Yeah, it's warm, but around here it's cold. You put the two together, here's what happens. Later tonight, we'll start to see those snow flurries start to come in on the coast. They'll slowly move on into the Puget Sound Basin, beginning to slide across our region, probably by tomorrow morning. In fact, let's give you a timeline here. With the overnight low temperatures dropping down below freezing, we're just set up perfectly to get the following. 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. is the time frame we're going to watch quite closely. Snowfall 1 to 3 inches. Will that definitely happen at your house? No way I can tell you that, but I think anywhere from a trace to 3 inches is about a good call, and just about everyone will see something out of this, and so we have to be concerned about our commute tomorrow morning. What will happen as we begin our day is we expect areas of snow and or rain and snow mix. Keep in mind, this is kind of on the edge. It's not as cold as it could be. By afternoon, we're looking at the rain turning to showers and whatever snowfall is mixed in there to begin to go away as we continue to warm up. And we'll get a couple of sunbreaks thrown in there too. Temperatures in the upper 30s for highs, so if we get some stuff on the roadways, should be slushy fairly quickly. And if you're going east of the Cascades, there you're going to see a slightly different situation. The cold, much more entrenched. It's not going to leave that soon. So with the snowfall over there and daytime highs only in the 20s, expect that to be around for a while. So overnight, increasing chance of snow. The time frame, well, we've given you that, but we're especially watching between 11 p.m. tonight and 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. We have areas of snow and rain for you to begin your day, so get an early start. You know the drill. And by afternoon, changing to mostly rain with a high temperature near 40 degrees. Now, as the week goes on, we're going to continue on this little tightrope, if you will, between cold enough to snow and being mainly rain. So we're looking at a high of 41 on Thursday, 42 on Friday, and then Saturday it's just rain all the way through. So fortunately, this is a warm-up type snow rather than a cool down and freeze and stay in place.
And another fortunate thing, I think, is the time frame you gave. At 11 o'clock tonight on our news, you'll have a much better idea what it is.
Much better. So obviously we'll ask you to tune in again. And throughout the evening, we'll have updates for you.
Thanks.
Thanks, Steve. Tomorrow we'll